Hello, welcome back. Justin Ride, Mediterranean Garden and Outdoor Living video blogs. This particular blog, you're not going to see me. So what I want to do is just pan around again, just going back. I'm just on a country lane in the northern parts of Portugal. And I just want to just showcase what we've got around. It's just beautiful here and every other plants we've got. Now, first of all, this specimen here looks very gnarled and it's got almost lichen growing on it, a lovely shape. Look, I wonder how many people know what that is. So as I pan up, may not get some clue at the moment, but you might get an idea if I just zoom in there, look. Now they almost look like, just like runner beans, doesn't it? Well, that's the carob tree, and that's the pods that grow from it. Now a carob tree is almost like the substitute chocolate you get. It's used a lot in ingredients of food. It's used also a lot of animal feed. Now those pods will turn darker in time. We will be doing a feature on that in the future. But a beautiful tree, that's the carob tree, also known in Portuguese as alfaroba. But just moving on here, this is just like a little, looks like it's a little stream that used to run down there. But there we got the cork oaks. Now there's a number on that that says 8. We talked about this before, so that's 2008, that was last stripped. So that's 7 years. So in 2 years time, that'll be ready for its another cutting back to put into the wine bottles. Straight next to that, olive tree, beautiful. Can't quite see there, but that'll be a wash with green or the black olives. I'm not sure which variety it is. As we come along here, it's a bit difficult maybe to see. That's a madroña bush, Arbutus unido, which is also known as the strawberry tree. Lovely fruits that make a fiery liquor called the madroña. It's absolutely beautiful. We go then into a carob again. I don't know if you can see that. If I just pause a little bit, maybe you can see the pods hanging down. Wonderful, the shape it's got. There we've got some lovely great huge pine tree, which is called the pine cones. Each will probably have a little bit of pine nuts in there as well. So like the whole land, the specifics here, is everything's almost like edible. It's just fantastic. You can walk through a section of land on a country road and you can see food growing. It's just wonderful. Olives, carobs, pines, the strawberry tree. If you had to sort of be self-sufficient and live wild out here, or if you knew what plants you're looking at, which everybody should really learn, I think everybody's got to understand where foods and where products come from. Who would know what a carob tree and the substitute chocolate is? I'll just pan down here. These are acacias here growing a bit wild. Lovely blossom. And no, more olives here. Beautiful. In fact, there you go. Look, that's what I was saying. Just started there. I don't know if I can catch that. Baby little green olives hanging there. There we go. All food. Now I know, I won't carry on much longer, but I know further down there they've got a loquat tree, which is the beautiful sort of apricot flavour, which is very famous again in Portugal. It's just beautiful. This is just 50 metres. The land is full of food. It's wonderful. Get out there, get into nature and start to learn about where the trees and the plants come from.